Alright. You're playing Wolf Quest for the first time. Skip tips. I have played the demo. I've actually completed the demo twice. And I've tried out this game a little bit. It is quite hard though. Let's see. There's no Alex over here. We gotta find prey, and then we gotta kill it, and then once we've killed enough prey, we gotta find a mate, and then we gotta start a home. And that's my own footsteps. Here, let's see. Let's see. Any else here? This way. No curse nearby. Let's see. What do we have here? Right. Ooh. Hold on. Ooh, a hare. Those are easy to hunt. There it is. Alright, let's go get it. Let's go get it. Hey! Got him. Got a hare. And the elk herd. Hold on. Bull elk herd. Yeah, no. We should get near the pack soon. Where's this thing? Ooh, is that another hare? We love hunting hares. Snowshoe hare. Oh, that's long ago, never mind. Just follow the footsteps. Something just growled at me. Let's see, what was that? Oh, it's a cougar. Okay, yeah, we're not gonna mess with that. Well, I've been nearing myself the herd for a few seconds, actually. That, cougar was not, it's not something for me. Mule deer! Ooh. What is this red one? Oh. Grizzly bear. Anyway, where's that? Where's that? I want that. There. I went this way. I'm stupid. Alright, I'm gonna continue these steps, and I'll be back once I find either find the mule deer, or if I find something else interesting. Like, what is this red thing though? It's a bison or grizzly bear? Who knows? Let's see. I'll be back later. Alright, so I actually left the mule deer, and I just found some elks right over here, and there's a calf. And I'm pretty sure the calf is gonna... Oh, is that a mule deer? Mouth full. Drop the hair. Drop the hair. Alright. Darn it. Where'd it go? Oh, let's follow this. You'll follow the trail. There they are. Look. Oh. Come on over. No. What happened? Hey! I am still getting used to this game. I am not the best. Let's see. Oh, that could be a calf, maybe? No, that's definitely not a calf. What are you? Cow elk. Should be a female then, I think. Oh, wait, no, I wanna hunt the babies. I wanna hunt the baby. It's a baby. Yes, it's a calf. I have no stamina. Okay, that's why. Yeah, you don't want to come near me. You don't want to come near me. I'm a wolf. I'm a wolf, and I'm gonna show you who's the boss here. Get your baby. Well, I don't care what you think about it. I'm gonna get your baby. It's almost dead. First degree. Oh god. Okay. That's what happens with me. It's just a minor injury. It's not that bad. Yes! Killed it. Time to kill the mother. Like this and many other achievements. Nah, I don't need to do that. Get over. I'm gonna kill you. You're gonna die. Trying to protect your baby from me, you're gonna die. Yeah, I'm gonna kill you. You're not gonna survive this because I'm way stronger than you. I'm a strong, buff wolf female looking for a male. Or, no, I'm looking for a male. I am female. Oopsies. Ooh, you suddenly feel like you need to protect yourself? That's not gonna help. You don't even hurt me. You're gonna die. It's going great. Let's see if we can get... it's only been 6 minutes into the recording. You can see on my second screen. Maybe we'll even get a male in this video. Haha. Yes. Got him. I don't care about gore. You may want to return to this carcass in the future, so how now to mark it? Compass and on the road map. Alright. Let's eat it. Learn to hunt. Learn the basic. Keep improving your skills. You'll need to be an excellent hunter to keep your pups alive in the spring. It's time to find a mate. Yes, I want to eat. I'm gonna eat something. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's inverted. Oh, those are mates calling. That is good. I'm an idiot. Oh, that's a grizzly bear. Let's get away from that grizzly. Don't want to mess with that guy. Alright, let's see. Chicken right here with me. Yes. Mate calling. Nearby. That's what mate. No. Yes, right here. See, that's a male. It's a male wolf. It's a male wolf somewhere over here. Where is he? I want him. There! One more wolf, or wolves are one or more. They are also looking for a mate. Show your interest by play buying, wagging a tail, and other friendly actions. Press I. Yep, I'm ready. Put down my meat. Play bow. You've convinced these wolves to get to you. To know you better. Working. Okay. This is good. Yeah. Hi. Oh, this is adorable. I love these two. You're both so cute. Let's play bow. Play bow you. Yay, tail wag. Play bow. Play bow. Yay. Am I gonna get 2 males? Am I getting 2 males? What? Where are you coming from behind? I can see you, you know? Oh, I like you. Oh, I like you. But I like you. Yeah, I like you both. I like you both. You're both cute. Play bow. Yay! You like me? Please like me back. Please like me back. I want you both. No, where are you going? Oh. Another play bow. Airplane ears. I wanna tail wag you. Yeah, I like you. I wanna tail wag you. No, play bow you. Play bow you. I wanna play bow you. He's gonna respond. Gonna respond. Please? How does this work? I don't think I'm doing this right. Yay! Play bow. Yay! Oh, you just tail whack. What do you mean slow down? Where you going, you two? Where you going? Oh. Yay. Play bow back at you. I did not mean to do it away from you. Did I do it right? I did. Where are you going? No! Where are you going? Help! Where are you going? I want you both. Oh, there's nothing on the map, so I'm assuming they're still willing to mate. Yeah, they are. They are both willing to mate. Oh, maybe I need to tail with them. Where are you going? No, where are you going? Oh, get back here! Oh. Yay! I like you. Please. Please stay with me forever. I want you. I want to keep you. I want to do that. Yeah, I'm going to do that too. Is that a good one? Did I do good? I did. Another roll. I'm a roll too. I'm a roll. I'm rolling. I'm rolling around. Where you going? No, don't leave me. I like you. Confident tail wag. Yeah. Do it. Oh, okay, so I have to mimic what they're doing. Okay, I get it now. I don't like the sound of that. I don't want you, I want you. Guess we'll do a play bow. Tail wag. Aw. What you tail wag? Please. Yay! Did I do it? Did I do it right? Did I get you? Am I getting you? Hey, you're not getting. I'm not getting you. I like your colors more, but I like you more. You're cute. You're mine. Tail wag. Roll. I'm gonna roll too. Am I doing it? Am I doing it right? Yay! Progress. You've made an impression on. I don't know that. Now hunt and socialize together for several days so you can learn about each other's personalities and abilities. You gradually increase your affinity, the blue meter on the left edge of your wolf badge. When it's full, you can decide about becoming mates. Do you agree? You can always terminate this. Of course I agree. Yay! I'm gonna do about playful. There, gonna do that with you as well. There you go. Oh, I like you. We need to sleep though. Let's go to sleep, please. He's keeping guard. Oh. Oh. What's this? This is interesting. I like this game. I like this quite a lot. Here's my mail. He's been waiting on me. Oh, he's so cute. I'm gonna roll with you. Oh yeah, you eat that. You eat that. Take some food. Go eat that. Ooh, where are we going? Where are we going? We're gonna go hunting? Let's go hunting. Come on, this way. Let's go hunt. Come on, this way. You following? Yes, okay. I cannot catch the scent. What did I press? Oh, that's okay. And disperse wolves. We don't want that. But this is just us. Can I not like rename you something else? Occurred. Is that a river? It is a river. Let's get some water. Drink some water. Alright, let's get going. Okay, we'll go against it. I did that last time too. Going against it. This way. Ooh, cougars near. Don't like cougars. There's a herd over here. It's super good. I think I see them. I think I see them in the distance. I do. Ooh. Do they have calves is the question. No, they don't. Ooh. Let's go find something else. Last time. Probably not a bulk herd. Bulk elk. It's a bad idea. We learned that the hard way. How can I rename you though? Hold on, the map. Map. Let's go towards that X. Oh, there you are. Alright. Wait. You wanted to do something? Oh, you bow. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll play foul. I'll do that as well. Sure, I'll do that. Number 5. Tail. Anyway. Yeah, let's keep going. Ooh, snow hare. Where's the snow hare? Let's go for the snow hare. It's a good idea. Scent disappear. Yes. Is that? No. It's not the snow hare. There it is. Gotta rename you something. You need a new name. Can't just call you 806 Mile. Or M or whatever it is. Where's the snow hare? I know it's somewhere here. The scents are leading that way. Oh wait. Cow elk. That way. Elk calf, sorry. Elk calf. That's what we want. That's gotta be another wolf. And these... my scents. So if I just run ahead... This way, maybe? Oh. Those are snow hare. This way. Oh, yes. Snow hare over here. Wait. There you go. Keep going. 10 minutes ago. Is this gonna go up? Go this way? Probably this. Let's see. Yeah, it is. Alright, so that's the wrong way. Where's the hare? It was right here. No, it's gone. Footsteps just end. Disappear. It's unusual. Oh! Right here, 20 minutes ago. Follow it. I don't like the howls. Wait. Oh, you like to hunt other wolves. Wait, what? I do? Let's hunt it. Let's hunt that wolf. Oh wait, is that a coyote? That's not a wolf, that's a coyote. Let's kill it. Let's kill it. Kill the poor thing. Yes. We got this. We'll kill the coyote. Not gonna mess with me. You're not gonna mess with my family. If you mess with my family, you mess with me. You mess with my food, you mess with me. You're going away. I need stamina. We're hunting him down. Come on, let's go. Let's hunt him down. He's almost dead. Let's see. Alright. 22 minutes. We did it! Yeah, we did it! Health. It's a dead coyote. Well, he's such a cute, my friend. I love my friend. I'll be back once we found probably a elk or something like that. Yeah, a baby elk. Alright, it's been probably a few minutes, and we just found a cow elk, or a cow moose, sorry. And we're gonna take him down now. I am getting quite sleepy, so we will have to sleep as well, but let's take down this elk, or this moose. I need to stop calling it an elk, it's a moose. Let's get going. Yeah, play football. Yeah, play football. Definitely. There we go. Alright, let's go. Oh, I'm low HP as well. I should be able to hold off a bit more damage, though. I think we can take it down. If we can't, we'll just sleep and we'll find another one. That's alright. I really hope this thing's gonna stay as a mate with me. This other wolf, I really like him. He's a real fighter. He even went off against the grizzly bear. We went past the grizzly bear and he started attacking it. I wanna keep him. I wanna keep him. He's feisty. I like that. How long is this thing gonna run? Gonna run out of stamina. Yeah, that's probably what it wants me to do, but like, stop being smart. The gems take way more stamina, but they get them. No. I'll sleep it off. Yeah, I know, buddy. I know. Alright, let's see. What else we got? think we'll just have to end off the episode from here. It's right here. It's been a good long while. We didn't get that moose we wanted, but ow. Then we'll get one. We'll get one. We'll get one for sure. For sure get one. I will hopefully see all you guys in the next video, and please tell me in the comment section if I should keep recording Wolf Quest or not. It's actually quite interesting with a game. I look like a husky, I like it. I didn't fix my eyes. Oh well. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!